Yeah, he shot a lot of people on tops. Oh, young white boy too.
There's a lot of people dead in
Hell
there.
yeah. Hell yeah. He shot a lot of people up in there. Oh my God. Yo, he shot a lot of people in there. Oh my God. Wow.
He a terrorist or something?
Yo, he gotta be a terrorist. Oh my God, he shot so many people in there. Wow. Yo.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow. Walk in, man. That nigga almost shot me, man.
Yep. Wow.
Julie, calm down and say what's the with you? The baby?
Oh my God. Yo, it's about to go national. Wow.
Crazy. Just look at this too, man.
Wow. Wow.
People, the army. Be calm. Be calm and stay
He
down.
shot a lot of people in there. Wow. Wow. White boy shot a lot of people in tops. He let loose. He had a semi-automatic weapon.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Like, I'm talking about he let loose in there.
Dude, I used to work here,
He
man.
let loose in there.
I used to work here.
I'm talking about white boy.
White boy.
They got him in the squad car now. He put the gun to his head.
They shot him.
No, he didn't shoot himself. That was crazy. He killed a lot of people in there.
Oh, Jesus. I used to work here.
Wow. Yo, damn.
This is so.
Yo, you know what? This sounds like it's the end of the world. That white boy come into the hood and he shot up Top Supermarket. You see that gun he had? You see that gun he had?
I just got here.
That was a military grade weapon right there. Wow. That was a military grade weapon. Wow. Oh my God. Ain't nothing you could do.